Hi guys, welcome to the channel and how to download Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 3 camera driver. So guys, first matter, come to this website, which is Lenovo official website, pcsupport.lenovo.com. Okay, and then open the search box, click to search PC box and type idea IdeaPad Slim 3. Okay, you can see this. Just select this, connect to software, and you can see this all support, contact, repair device, warranties and guide and all support you required. We have to install camera driver. Just click to driver and support. Then you can see this is automatic method. You have to just install the setup, and after 5 minutes it will require driver automatically installed to your laptop. Second is manual. So manual is better, which is required one by one install if you're getting some issues and error related device. So click to this and then click to camera and reader. So click. After that you can see this the camera driver. Okay, you just click to download. Wait few seconds, it will complete. After that show here, and then you can see this is already started. Completed. Just open and then click to camera driver. You can see click to yes, then okay, then I accept. Next, do not extract only, you just directly install, then next, install. You can see this camera driver is installed successfully, and then click. After all doing that, then restart your system. Thank you.